I'm in McCaysville, Georgia, and this fellow in front of me is ChainsawBob. I'll put a link to ChainsawBob down below. Met him because of his videos. On a lot of his videos he rides a 225 little dirt bike in the dirt. Today was supposed to get up to 65 degrees, and I think that's going to be pretty accurate. Slight chance of rain, but not very much. He's going to show me the awesome local back roads in the Chattahoochee National Forest. It's a little wetter than I had planned on it being, but not really what I'd call rain. I've been following Mr. ChainsawBob now for about 45 minutes. Mainly we're just taking the very scenic route from McCaysville, Georgia down to Ellijay, Georgia. And he's certainly been taking me on some awesome roads. I think this is called Bullen Gap Road. It's had some pretty tight switchbacks. It's been a lot of fun. I think I talked to the right guy. I don't know if you can hear his stereo system. I think he's had the Beatles going for the last handful of times that I've gotten close enough to hear him. This is Highway 52 in Georgia between Chatsworth and Ellijay, and it is an awesome road if you don't know it already. It was wet on the way up. I wasn't expecting Mr. ChainsawBob to stay with me so long, but it's been great. I've heard a lot of horror stories about guys getting hurt and hurting their bikes on this road. Tell you what though, Mr. ChainsawBob can throw that Bergman around pretty good. We're on Highway 411 and we've just crossed into Tennessee from Georgia, so we are heading north. It's been a treat hanging with ChainsawBob. I wasn't expecting him to hang with me this long. We've been together for over 2 hours now. It's been awesome. Well, we're pulling over here. We're almost in Benton, Tennessee. I think this is the end of the line probably from Mr. ChainsawBob. We're pretty close to my home. Gonna stop here in Hardee's, get us a drink, and I guess we'll head back home.